Assalomu alaykum. Ismim Sharifam Hajayeva Nigor Ruslanova.
Hello, I am Tayra Mirzayeva.
Nigor, rosa sanbob maktab bor ekanki, harakat qilib ko'rgin, ajomas agar senga shu nasib qilsa.
Getting to know them is like visiting a new country.
Xo'sh, eng qiziqarli savollardan biri, kulib yurish qiyinmi?
So they're always ready to offer a warm hug.
Не говори о своих планах, пока они не осуществятся.
The moment you enter the classroom, you have to keep it away, you have to leave it behind you, and you shouldn't smile a lot, but you shouldn't smile less as well. Like there should be a balance about it.
Assalomu alaykum. Ismim Sharifam Hajayeva Nigor Ruslanova. Yoshimni aytmayman. Bu sir bo'lib qolsin. Farg'ona shahrida tug'ilganman. Qozon federal universitetida 2016-yilda o'qishga kirib, 2020-yilda bitirganman. Lingvistika fakultetida o'qiganman. Nemis, ingliz va arab tillarini o'rganib kelganman va hozirgi kunda Registon xususiy maktabida ishlab kelmoqdaman.
Hello, I am Tayra Mirzayeva and I am an English teacher at Registon School.
Qanday qilib bu kasbga kelib qolganman? Bu kasbga kelib qolganimni eng katta sababi bu mening buvijonim. Buvijonim bir umr o'qituvchi bo'lib ishlab kelganlar. Farg'ona shahrining 25-umumiy o'rta ta'lim maktabida 35 yil rus tili va adabiyot o'qituvchisi bo'lib ishlab kelishgan. Hozir nafaqadalar, 92 yoshdalar va men buvim bilan juda faxrlanaman, chunki kerak bo'lsa hozirgi kungacha o'quvchilari har bir bayramda ulardan bir xabar olib kelishadi va menga shu juda katta taassurot qoldirgan. Buvam ta'lim berish orqali juda katta savobga erishgan va juda katta hurmatga erishgan deb o'ylayman.
I remember when I was getting ready for a national achievement exam in my home country, I didn't really think a lot about which profession I want to choose. And my main focus was scoring high in exam and getting a place at a university. My mom is a teacher and she had a huge influence on me to choose this profession.
Registon xususiy maktabida men 2024-yildan beri faoliyat olib boraman, ya'ni uni birinchi ochilgan kunidayoq. Registon bu mening ikkinchi oilam. Registon bu mening ikkinchi uyim. Chunki men Registonda juda katta hurmat, samimiyat, sabr va matonatni ko'rdim. Shuni ko'rganim uchun yuragimda juda bir cheksiz hurmat va Allohga bo'lgan minnatdorchiligim yanada oshgan.
So far, it has been 7 months.
Xo'sh, Farg'ona shahrida juda ko'p maktablar bor. Xohlang bu davlat maktabi, xohlang bu bir xususiy maktab. Bu maktabga juda bir ajoyib yo'l, ajoyib bir nima deydi, puch orqali kelib qolganman. Ya'ni bir yaqin insonim shunday bir telefon qilishganda, unda hali Registon maktabi ish faoliyatini yuritmagan edi. Endi bir nimalari, fundamentlari, bir nimalari ko'tarilib, endi remont bo'layotgan payt edi. Shu telefon qilib aytishganki, Nigor, rosa sanbob maktab bor ekanki, harakat qilib ko'rgin, ajomas agar senga shu nasib qilsa. Darrov ertasiga bordimda, tashchilarimiz va har xil o'qituvchilarni imtihonidan o'tdim. Bu psixologik imtihon ham bo'ldi, o'zimni fanimga tegishli imtihon ham bo'ldi va bulardan muvaffaqiyatli o'tgan holda men shu kunda Registon xususiy maktabida ingliz tili o'qituvchisi bo'lib ishlayman.
I think it's mainly about the education system that is built in here, and which is quite different from traditional approach to education. And I like how administration tries to give equal importance to kids with different intelligences. So here we have regular math classes, different multiple language classes like English, Arabic, Russian. What I like the most about this school is how administration supports different areas of interest in kids. So here we have additional activities, additional lessons like archery lessons, horse riding classes, chess classes, gymnastics, and so on. And I think it is authentic, it is unique, and it really stands out.
Mening kasbimni, ya'ni o'qituvchilik faoliyatimni eng yoqtirgan tarafim bu bitta nuqtada qotib qolmaslik. Ya'ni doimiy ravishda o'zimni ustida ishlashim, nafaqat dunyoviy, ya'ni bilim tarafdan, balki diniy tarafdan ham va o'zimni tilim tarafda ham qolgan fanlardan ham doimiy ravishda qanaqadir bir rivojlanishim kerakligi. Menga ushbu kasb meni yanada ham matonatli, yanada ham sabrli qilishga o'rgatadi. Shuning uchun o'qituvchilik kasbi kichik yoshimdan buyon bir yuragimdan katta bir o'rin egallagan.
It is the unconditional love and support I receive from my students. So they're always ready to offer a warm hug and a smile. I will also say that meeting kids, getting to know them is like visiting a new country. It feels like visiting a new country, and there's always something exciting, there's always something new to learn from them.
Albattaki inson bu hayotda borki, qanaqadir bir muammolardan yoki dunyoviy muammolar, xoh shaxsiy muammolar bo'lsinki, biz ularni chetlashtirib o'ta olmaymiz. Bu degani, siz ishlayapsizmi yoki siz boshqa bir narsa bilan murakkab tarzda shug'ullanyapsizmi, sizga tashqi omillar hech qachon ta'sir qilmasligi kerak. Siz yuqori cho'qqilarga erishmoqchimisiz? Siz kuchli inson bo'lmoqchimisiz? Siz doim chetdagi muammolaringizni, barcha muammolar, shaxsiy muammo bo'lsin, xohlagan muammo bo'lsin, siz kuchli inson bo'lmoqchimisiz bu dunyoda? Buni hammasini biz ikkinchi toifaga qo'yib yashashimiz kerak.
I would say that we all are human beings and we all have some bad days. And especially in this profession, if you are going through personal problems in your life, like the moment you enter the classroom, you have to keep it away, you have to leave it behind you and wear this fake mask on your face and try to smile and try to hide it.
Xo'sh, eng qiziqarli savollardan biri, kulib yurish qiyinmi? Albatta yo'q. Nimaga? Chunki kulib yurish bu meni hayotim. Man dusha kompaniya bo'lishni yaxshi ko'raman. Doim kayfiyatim tushgan taqdirda ham doim kulib yurishni yaxshi ko'raman. Nimaga? Hech qachon bu dunyoda yashar ekanmiz, doim muammolar, har xil tashqi omillar bizning hayotimizga ta'sir qiladi, ha. Lekin nima deydi, мысли materialni degan narsa bor. Biz agar ijobiy fikrlasak, bizning hayotimizdagi har bir ishimiz ham doim ijobiy tarzda hal bo'ladi. Shuning uchun doim optimistik inson bo'lish kerak, kulib yurish kerak, kulib va yashnab yurish kerak.
For a person as me, I think it is a little bit difficult because I normally don't smile a lot. But I think as a teacher, you need to keep balance between being kind and being serious. And you shouldn't smile a lot, but you shouldn't smile less as well. Like there should be a balance about it.
Kelajakdagi maqsadlarim. Shunaqa bir gap borki, не говори о своих планах, пока они не осуществятся. Вот. Hammasini aytmayman-u, lekin albattaki har bir insondaqa maqsadlarim juda yuqori. Meni bir yaqin insonim shunaqa bir menga savet berganki, sen shu dunyoda bir marta yashaysan, bir marta hayot kechirasan, o'zingga doim katta maqsadlar qo'y. Chiroyli kiyinib yur, chiroyli gapirib yurgin, chiroyli kulib yurgin va albatta katta reja va katta maqsadlar qo'yib yurgin. Biz qancha rejalarimiz, qancha maqsadlarimiz katta bo'lsa, biz shu tarzda o'sib boraveramiz. Shuning uchun men kelajakdagi maqsadlarim juda ham katta va Allohning bir yordami bilan, izni bilan men ularga albatta erishimga ishonaman.
Honestly speaking, I don't have any future long-term plans. Like I'm ready for whatever life will bring to me. But one thing is for sure, teaching will always be part of my life.